Witness the power of heavy machinery, from unstoppable excavators to precision sawmills. These machines make the impossible look easy. Cutting, grinding, hauling, pure engineering excellence in action. Get ready for industrial power at its finest. A powerful machine takes a raw log and feeds it through its precision rollers. The sharp blades quickly strip away the outer layers, revealing smooth, even sheets of wood. With incredible speed and accuracy, the machine transforms the solid log into thin, usable material. A massive industrial transport moves slowly through the streets, carrying an enormous cylindrical component. Its sheer size dominates the road, demanding precision and coordination from the escort crew. Every turn, every adjustment is carefully managed to ensure safe passage. Pedestrians and onlookers gather, mesmerized by the scale of this transport. The convoy proceeds cautiously as engineers and operators communicate seamlessly to navigate obstacles. Traffic comes to a halt, allowing the behemoth to continue its journey to its destination. This kind of transportation requires meticulous planning, with specialized vehicles and equipment designed for heavy loads. The sheer weight and dimensions of the cargo make this a rare and impressive sight. Step by step, the industrial giant advances, a testament to human engineering and logistical expertise. The tractor moves forward, its powerful mulcher grinding through the tree with ease. Wood chips fly as the machine effortlessly shreds everything in its path, leaving behind a clear and level terrain. The tractor moves steadily forward, its mulching attachment engaging with the dense line of trees. As the powerful blades spin, they tear through the trunks effortlessly, reducing them to fine wood chips in seconds. Branches snap and fall as the machine clears a path, leaving behind a trail of shredded debris. The efficiency of the process is remarkable, as entire trees disappear beneath the rotating drum, transformed into mulch in an instant. Dust and wood particles fill the air as the tractor continues its work, methodically dismantling the dense vegetation. With each pass, the land is reshaped, opening up space for new possibilities. The operator skillfully maneuvers the machine, ensuring every tree is processed efficiently. This is the power of modern land clearing, where precision and raw force combine to turn overgrown terrain into a clean slate. The massive circular saw roars to life, its sharp teeth slicing effortlessly through the thick wooden beam. Sawdust flies in all directions as the powerful blade carves through the lumber with absolute precision. Each rotation of the saw transforms rough timber into smooth, uniform planks, ready for construction. The conveyor belt keeps the wood moving, ensuring a continuous, seamless process. The rhythmic hum of the machine fills the workshop, a testament to the efficiency of modern sawmills. Every cut is clean, every board perfectly industry standards. As the final piece slides off the conveyor, the saw resets, ready for the next log. In just seconds, raw wood is transformed into a vital building material, showcasing the impressive speed and precision of industrial woodworking. The powerful forestry mulcher grinds into the frozen earth, turning solid wood and debris into fine mulch. Its massive drum, lined with hardened steel teeth, pulverizes everything in its path with sheer force. As the tractor moves forward, the spinning drum shreds through roots, branches, and even thick stumps, leaving behind a smooth, freshly mulched surface. The steam rising from the ground contrasts against the cold, a sign of the raw energy at play. Each pass of the mulcher clears the landscape, preparing the land for new growth or construction. This machine is built for efficiency, turning rugged terrain into manageable soil in just seconds. The operator skillfully maneuvers the beast, ensuring every inch of the area is processed with precision. In moments, what was once an uneven, obstructed field is transformed into a clean slate, ready for whatever comes next. The log peeler gets to work, swiftly stripping the bark from the freshly cut wood. As the log spins against the sharp blades, layers of bark fall away, leaving a smooth, clean surface. This efficient process is crucial for preparing timber, ensuring it's ready for construction or crafting in just moments. The worker feeds a sturdy log into the powerful wood chipper. Within seconds, the machine roars to life, shredding the timber into small, uniform pieces. This process turns raw wood into valuable mulch or biofuel. A convoy of heavy-duty trucks navigates a narrow road, transporting an enormous industrial component. Spectators gather, watching in awe as the massive load moves forward with precision. The leading truck pulls with controlled force, while the rear truck provides crucial support, ensuring stability. Each turn is carefully calculated, with spotters guiding the drivers through every maneuver. The sheer scale of the transport highlights the engineering behind logistics, where power meets precision. Slowly but steadily, the convoy makes progress, demonstrating the incredible teamwork required for such a complex operation. The crowd watches, knowing they're witnessing something rare and impressive. The powerful log splitter goes to work, effortlessly slicing through thick logs with precision. The sharp steel wedge forces the wood apart, breaking it down into perfect firewood pieces. Each log is fed into the machine, meeting the unrelenting pressure of the hydraulic system. The sound of splitting wood fills the air as the force tears through the grain, creating uniform sections ready for stacking. With every cycle, the machine showcases its efficiency. Making quick work of even the toughest logs. This is raw power and engineering at its best, turning massive chunks of timber into neatly split firewood in seconds. The chainsaw mill glides smoothly along the log, transforming a rough section of wood into precise, even slabs. Every movement is deliberate as the guide rail ensures a clean, controlled cut. The roaring chainsaw bites into the wood, sending a fine spray of sawdust into the air. The operator maintains a firm grip, carefully guiding the saw to create perfectly uniform planks. This method turns raw logs into valuable timber. Making the most of each cut. It's an impressive combination of precision, skill, and raw power, shaping nature's material into something ready for crafting and construction. The freshly split firewood tumbles onto the conveyor belt, each piece moving effortlessly along the red metal chute. The rhythmic clatter of wood against steel echoes through the space, signaling efficiency in motion. As the machine continues its steady work, logs are swiftly processed, ready to be stacked and stored. Every chunk of wood tells a story of strength and durability, prepared to fuel warmth and energy in the cold months ahead. The tractor moves forward, its powerful mulcher grinding through the thick branches with ease. Trees collapse into the rotating drum, disappearing into a whirlwind of shredded debris. The machine leaves behind a trail of finely processed wood chips, clearing the land with remarkable efficiency. What once was dense vegetation is now transformed into nutrient-rich mulch, ready to support new growth. The massive log is secured in place as the sawmill machine begins its precise work. The powerful blade glides through the wood, slicing smoothly with incredible accuracy. Each pass of the blade reveals the beautiful grain hidden inside, transforming the rough log into perfectly measured lumber. The machine's precision ensures minimal waste, maximizing efficiency for woodworking projects. This process showcases the incredible engineering behind modern sawmills, turning raw timber into usable materials with speed and precision. A perfect blend of power and craftsmanship at work. The log enters the splitter, and with immense force, the sharp blade slices through effortlessly. Each section is evenly divided, ready for firewood or further processing. The machine's efficiency is unmatched, turning thick logs into neatly split pieces in seconds. A perfect display of raw power and precision at work. The log is placed securely in the splitter, and with a powerful push, the blade slices through effortlessly. The wood cracks apart, falling neatly into pieces, ready for use. The worker carefully places the log onto the powerful splitter. With a firm push, the machine's force drives through the wood, breaking it into perfectly sized pieces. Each split is precise, ensuring efficiency and speed in the process. As more logs are fed in, the splitter keeps up, handling each piece with ease. Wood chips scatter, a sign of just how effortlessly this machine turns solid logs into firewood. A steady rhythm follows, making quick work of a once daunting task. The stump grinder roars to life, its spinning blade making quick work of the stubborn tree remnant. As the blade grinds down, sawdust and wood chips scatter, revealing its raw power. Layer by layer, the stump is reduced to fine mulch, disappearing into the earth. The precision of the grinding disc ensures no trace is left behind, transforming the once solid wood into soft, reusable material. The machine moves methodically, leaving behind a smooth surface, ready for new growth. In just moments, what was once an obstacle is now a cleared space, a perfect example of efficiency in land maintenance. The stump grinder moves into position, its sharp cutting wheel spinning at high speed. As it makes contact, wood chips fly in all directions, breaking down the stubborn remains of the tree. With steady control, the operator guides the machine, reducing the stump layer by layer. The once solid wood turns into fine mulch, clearing the ground for a fresh start. The massive saw blade roars to life, spinning at incredible speed as it makes its first contact with the thick log. The sharp teeth sink into the dense wood, tearing through the outer bark with effortless precision. A shower of sawdust bursts into the air, coating the surrounding machinery in a fine layer of wood particles. The blade moves forward, slicing deeper, reducing the once solid trunk into neatly cut sections. The log shudders slightly as the blade powers through, splitting it with a clean, smooth finish. Each rotation sends vibrations through the entire structure, showcasing the raw force behind this industrial machine. The conveyor belt moves steadily, guiding the log forward as the relentless saw does its work. The repetitive motion of the cutting process is almost hypnotic, a perfect blend of power and precision. As the machine continues its operation, the once massive log shrinks with each precise cut. The exposed layers of wood reveal intricate grain patterns, a natural design hidden beneath the rough bark. The saw's motor hums steadily, maintaining a powerful rhythm as more sections are cut and ejected onto the processing platform. The dust and wood chips accumulate rapidly, forming a growing pile beneath the conveyor. The industrial power of this machine is undeniable. Decades ago, this work would have been slow and labor-intensive, but today, modern engineering has streamlined the process. Each log that enters the sawmill is transformed into valuable timber within minutes, ready for construction, furniture making, or other applications. The efficiency of the machine is unmatched, cutting with such speed and accuracy that no material is wasted. The log, once an unyielding mass, is now completely reshaped. The saw's relentless motion continues, turning what was once a towering tree into uniform planks. The rhythmic sound of cutting fills the air, a steady, controlled force carving through nature's toughest material. The heavy-duty frame of the sawmill absorbs the vibrations, keeping everything stable as the process unfolds. As another section of the log is reduced to perfect cuts, the transformation is almost mesmerizing. The once rough surface is now smooth and refined, with the clean edges showing the true quality of the wood beneath. The machine continues its process, moving from one log to the next without hesitation. Every movement is precise, every component working together in mechanical harmony. The dust continues to settle as the last major cuts are made, the log now fully processed into usable planks. The saw finally slows, the powerful motor winding down briefly before preparing for the next batch of logs. The work is never done, as more raw material waits to be refined. The entire operation runs like a well-oiled machine, proving that in the world of heavy industry, efficiency and power go hand in hand.